If you enjoy our content, please hit that like button and share this video with your friends.
Make sure you stay tuned until the end for some exciting updates, and don't forget to drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below.
Function to find factors of a given number.
Embark on a quest to unveil the factors, the building blocks of our number.
A factor discovered, a perfect division, no remainder left behind. The list of factors, a complete set, returned to the caller. Function to plot factors using a bar chart. Preparing the stage, our canvas awaits to narrate the story of factors.
Each factor rises, a bar in the chart, reaching up to its value.
Labeling the z-axis, a roster of factors in order.
The y-axis, a measure of magnitude, each tick a testament to divisibility. The chart's title, proclaiming the subject of our mathematical tale.
Marking the z-axis, each factor noted, a position of honor.
With a flourish, the plot is revealed, factors displayed in graphic splendor.
Main segment to accept a number and visualize its factors.
A prompt for input, the number awaits, its factors yet unknown.
The calculation begins, a journey to uncover the number's essence.
Visualization commences, translating numbers into visual narrative.
Alright, we've just seen the program in action and checked out the results. If you found this useful and enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit.
For more in-depth support or engineering consultancy services, head over to eprogrammer.com.
Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.